Dentures on a budget, evaluating prices in Europe and Turkey. Dentures are the most common treatment option for people who've lost several or one of their teeth. They can be a budget-friendly treatment that can restore a person's smile and function of the bite. The cost for dentures varies greatly according to the location the patient is within. In this clip, we'll compare the costs of dentures in Europe as well as Turkey, both of which are two top destinations in the world of dental tourism. The cost of dentures in Europe. Dentures in Europe, the price of dentures may vary dependent on where the patient is located within. For instance, in regions like UK, Germany, and France, where the cost of dentures could be quite expensive due to the expensive price of living as well as the high cost of work. A set of dental implants in these areas can run anything from $2,000 to $3,000. In contrast, the other hand, in Eastern European countries like Poland, Hungary, and Romania, the cost of dentures is significantly lower. In these nations, a set of dental implants can be just $300 to $800. $800. It is due to the fact that the price of living and the labor cost is significantly cheaper in these areas and makes dentures easier for patients to afford. The cost of dentures in Turkey. Turkey is an extremely popular location in dental tourism because of the quality of dental treatment offered for a reasonable price. In Turkey, the price for dentures is much lower as compared with many European nations. A complete set of teeth in Turkey will cost between $200 to $600. One of the main reasons dentistry in Turkey can be so inexpensive is due to the fact that costs of living and the labor costs are considerably lower than in several European countries. The dental clinics of Turkey to provide top-quality dental services with a fraction of expense. Evaluating the quality of dentures. In the case of dental care, price is not the only aspect to think about. It is crucial to assess the quality of dentures you'll receive. The good news is that in Europe as well as Turkey, there are numerous dentists who are reputable and offer premium dentures made with durable materials. They are also made to be custom fit for each individual's mouth. If you are considering a dental practice for dentures, make sure you do a thorough search regarding the practice's reputation, expertise, experiences, and testimonials. It's also suggested to make an appointment with your dentist in order to talk about your treatment options and address any questions that you ask. In the case of getting dentures for a reasonable price, Europe and Turkey are the two most popular places to get inexpensive dental services. Dentures cost in Europe differs greatly based which country you're in. Certain countries like Poland, Hungary, and Romania provide lower rates when compared with countries such as UK, Germany, and France. Turkey can be another good choice for affordable dental implants, and prices range from $200 to $600 for a typical. Because of the cheaper price of living as well as the lower cost of labor costs in Turkey, the dental clinics can offer top-quality dentures for less than the price. If you're choosing a dental practice for dentures, be conscious of quality and not the cost. Look for reputable clinics throughout Europe as well as Turkey. You can schedule a consult with a dentist and be sure to ask any questions you have concerning the procedure. With these tips will ensure you will receive top-quality dentures which can restore your teeth and smile.